Welcome to another video. I'm Crypto Lee, and I wanted to show new users how to buy Bitcoin and sell it the easiest way, I believe, and it's the way I use most of the time. I basically use Coinbase. It's a publicly traded company now in the stock market, so it's relatively safe, I would say. And let's get started. So basically you'll go to Coinbase.com. As you can see, I got it pulled up already, and you'll just sign up for a new account. I put a referral link. If you want to use it, that's fine. If not, that's okay too. You'll get $10 of free Bitcoin if you buy or sell $100 worth of crypto, and I'll get $10, so it helps support the stream. So basically you'll sign up, and they have KYC, know your client or customer. So basically you'll go through that, you put your information in, they'll verify who you are and all that stuff, and it's safe. So I'll go ahead and sign in. And as you can see, I got a two-factor authenticator. You can download it by Google or from Google. They have a Google authenticator, and I would put it on everything pretty much. It makes most things safe, or a lot safer. They basically have to have your phone and the app to be able to log into your account. And it gives you a one-time code. So here we go. This is the home screen. As you see, there's the referral. It pops up first thing. If you scroll down list, you got a watch list. You can add cryptos to or whatever. Shows you the change in price, what it currently is, market cap, and all that stuff. And you see this trade button right here. It'll show trade on all the ones that's available through them. And if one's not, it won't have a trade button. So what you do, you just go to buy or sell. So this screen, you can choose how much you want. You can hit custom if you want just a certain amount. You can do a one-time purchase, daily, weekly, twice a month, the 1st and 15th, or monthly on the 6th. A lot of people think, well, I don't know about a lot of people, but some people think it's called DCA, dollar cost average. So you can set a buy up to do every week at the same time. And regardless of what the price is, you buy a certain amount. And over time, you'll get a good, like, average price instead of trying to time the dips and stuff. So, but I'll do a one-time purchase just to show you. So I'm buying Bitcoin. Let's say $50 worth of Bitcoin right now. So I'll preview buy. Right here it shows you how much Bitcoin you're getting. So 0.00118,015. They have fees, so I'm buying at this price, $40,681 per Bitcoin. Purchase amounts $41.01. Then you add the Coinbase fees, $1.99. So the total will be $50. Let's see. Let's go to my portfolio. And try refreshing the page. Okay, now it's in there. So it shows I have $47.76 in Bitcoin now. In your settings, you can see your account limits. Once you do the KYCs, it adds to your limits. And I've been verified for a long time, so. Okay, to withdraw money, I withdraw to PayPal. It's really simple. So I already have PayPal linked to Coinbase. So you'll just link it to Coinbase. Then you'll go to buy and sell. You can sell Bitcoin. So you hit sell. If you want Bitcoin, you'll sell Bitcoin. You can sell any of them that you have. So I'll hit sell all to cash. Let me go back. So you can do cash. You can also convert your Bitcoin to other cryptos like Ethereum, Litecoin, whatever they have. So as you can see, they have quite a few on here now. But I'm going to sell to cash. So I sell my Bitcoin. Say $47.80. Let me just do $47. Make it simple. You have a fee going back to cash also. As you see, $1.99. So I'll get $45. So I sell now. And to send it to PayPal, you have to convert it to cash first. So I hit done. Okay, you can see I got $45.01 in US dollars. So I clicked on it in my portfolio. And as you can see, you can deposit or withdraw just USD also if you want. So you hit withdraw all, continue. You can do instant withdrawals to like a debit card, which has a fee. So I just go through PayPal, same day free. Hit continue. It'll tell you how much to PayPal, when the funds will arrive. So I'll withdraw now. 2:11 a.m. And I was just going to show you how fast it was. So I'm going to log into my PayPal. Two-factor authenticator, because you should have it on everything. So as you can see, it's already on my account on PayPal. Then on PayPal, hit transfer money. You could do an instant transfer. Now as you can see, if you want it in minutes, it's a 1.5% fee, a minimum of 25 cents. And the max $15. No fee if you want 1 to 3 days. So if it's a huge amount, you might want to do the 1 to 3 days, so no fee. But $45, it's only 68 cents. So I get $44.33. So I can hit transfer now. And so that's at 2:13 a.m. And I'm going to log into my bank real quick on my phone. And now I'm going to show you that it's already pending and it's available for me to use. And that took a matter of 2 minutes, something like that. So that's how quick it is. That's why I use PayPal, because it's just simple and easy. I'll have more how-tos in the future. So yeah. Until next time.